operation actually also brings the various departments of SportSG together, and it shows the support of the whole entire SportSG for the Frontliners. Just want to first really thank from the bottom of my heart to all the Frontliners out there who have been fighting in this COVID-19 fight for the entire past 1.5 to 2 years. And let's stay strong together, and the whole Singapore is behind all of you in this fight.
So this week is very meaningful. We find that the entire SportSG colleagues and family can come together and contribute towards packing this gift pack. This gift pack is especially meaningful for the frontline healthcare workers, and it's not just purchase. We put all very meaningful messages in it, and we devote our effort and time into packing this. I hope that all the frontline healthcare workers who collect this will feel a sense of appreciation that all the work they have done for us, and thank them so much. Another, again, thanks to all your contribution and sacrifices, for without we wouldn't be where we are today, and keep on fighting hard against, I'm sure we'll pull through together. For SportSG's 48th anniversary, we wish all employees come together and we overcome the pandemic together across all the groups, and we'll pull through this for sure, stronger. Thank you.
Well, I think this week's program has been very meaningful for everyone. Over the course of this week, we have seen many people coming in to help us with the different kind of operations that we have, be it packing, clearing the trash, helping us to refill or replenish the items to be packed. So I think we have spent this week rather meaningfully with the entire SportSG family. SportSG, in this anniversary, I would like to say thank you and also happy birthday, right? Because through the past couple of months, we've given a lot of opportunity for us to engage the public through different means, right, in physical as well as virtual events, and this has really helped to elevate the spirits of people, in various areas, right? And I think we are very lucky to be able to be working in this organization that gives us this opportunity to do so, to have a direct impact to the community. So to many more great years ahead.
Well, I think it's really touching to be able to come together and contribute to the effort to encourage our frontliners. And when I stepped in here and saw my colleagues all in action, I'm glad to be able to be part of it. Well, I want to thank all our frontliners for being our everyday heroes. They've been sacrificing a whole lot. They've been away from their families. They've been exposing themselves to the sort of risks that many of us don't see. And that's why they are our everyday heroes, and I like to thank them. And I like to be able to say that, with these small gestures of appreciation, we want to join hands with you to do good and to be able to get Singapore to come together. Well, I want to thank first and foremost our Rec Club for putting together a whole range of important and meaningful activities where my colleagues and I are able to come together to bond and to celebrate in a different way. I think our anniversary is always a reminder of the meaning and purpose of what we do, and I want to wish all our SportSG colleagues a very happy 48th birthday.